It's a great day for keto. My name is Liftar, and I'm bringing you today's keto tip. Welcome. Today's keto bite: your immune system hates being fat. There's a direct relationship between body fat and your immune system. In the body, there are two types of fat. There's superficial fat, which is what you see when you look in the mirror. It's the fat under the skin. And when you grab and make folds of skin, that's the outer superficial fat. The visceral fat is inside the body, packed in and around the organs. The inside fat is more the problematic of the two when you're talking about the immune system. The inside fat makes more of a certain type of immune cells that create more cytokines. Cytokines make a lot of inflammation. You might have heard the term cytokine storm in people who go on ventilators from the COVID-19 virus. Their own body creates a storm of inflammation to the point where their lungs clog up and they can't breathe. When you get sick, your body makes what are called antibodies. Antibodies are what give you immunity to the sickness or disease you've already had. Like when you have the flu, you'll get antibodies to that particular flu, and you won't get it again even if you're around people who have that flu. Well, this visceral or inside fat seems to weaken the memory of your antibodies. So let's say you get the flu. Normally your system will make the antibodies so you can't get reinfected with the same flu or the same virus the next week or next month. When the memory of your antibodies is shortened, it makes it possible to get the same flu again or the same virus again. This has happened during the coronavirus outbreak. A few people went all the way through being sick with it, only to have it flare up again. The people this happened to are generally overweight, and they have some kind of blood sugar problem, either diabetes or just high blood sugar levels. Extra fat around the midsection makes the body create a certain type of weak immune cells. This allows more inflammation, and inflammation by itself automatically weakens the immune system and interferes with the body's ability to heal. Inflammation by itself is a part of the cause of insulin resistance, or metabolic syndrome, we call it. Here's how the metabolic syndrome works. First, you eat bad or unhealthy carbs, like sugar or highly refined carb-based foods. That makes your body respond by making insulin. If you have insulin resistance, your cells don't want the insulin that your body just made. This causes the sugar in your body that you just ate to turn into fat and store in the tissues as fat. Since you didn't get the nutrients you needed from that type of food, you feel hungry too much and tired. It makes you want to eat again, and the cycle starts all over again. Of course, you know about this cycle from your own experiences, which is probably why you're interested in keto to begin with. You've been there, you know what an awful feeling it is. That's why keto can literally be a lifesaver. If you mix keto with intermittent fasting, it will get rid of that internal or visceral fat much faster. When you listen to people who have stayed keto for a while, you'll notice they are usually tickled pink about their blood tests. Their doctors are usually shocked at how much their blood chemistry balances out toward normal and healthy. So with keto diet and intermittent fasting, it's a sure way to help balance the body back to a healthy state with a strong, healthy immune system. And that's today's tip. If you enjoy these bite-sized tips, then come on over to rockthatketo.com and sign up for fabulous recipes, how-to tips, and inspirational stories of people who have lost weight or gotten healthy for the first time in their life. If you're ready to dive in and start losing serious weight, we have a foolproof 30-day plan all laid out for you. You can start losing weight today. Come on and check us out at rockthatketo.com and we'll see you next time.